The next step of our like icing. So this is half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of cocoa powder. We're gonna need half a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we're gonna need the vanilla essence to taste, like 1 teaspoon or 2, we'll see, but I'm thinking 1. So this is what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna add the half cup of sugar. We're gonna add our 1 cup of milk. We are gonna add cocoa powder, half a cup. We are gonna add our vanilla essence. We're just gonna add this. And we are gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I mean, I can measure what cup quarter looks like. And then we're gonna take our cornstarch and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons. I'm feeling like I'm gonna mess it up, but I'm hoping that I won't. Oops. 1. I'm trying to multitask here. And 2. So that's enough. And then we're gonna whisk it all together. So we're gonna cook it at low heat, very on low heat, like so, very low. And we're just gonna mix as it boils. So before boiling, this is how it looks like. It looks like cocoa or chocolate tea, as you can see. So we're gonna wait until it thickens up. So we're gonna cook it for a bit. So we're gonna cook it until it reduces its size and becomes creamy. Like this one is watery, but we need it to be creamy. So we need to keep on stirring and stirring as we go. Mind it's on low heat, remember that. When I reach there, I'll show you. I wanted to show you that we are almost there. Look at this. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's even coating our spoon. So that shows we are almost there. So we keep on going. I know it will take some time, but be patient and also use the lowest flame because you don't want to burn your chocolate. I'm gonna show you where we are at because we are done. The whatever is done, as you can see, it's very heavy. You can create a line. When you pull it up, it's this heavy. I think you can see clearly. So at this point, we're gonna switch off our gas, and we're gonna add some butter for it to be all glossy. So we're gonna add butter, and then we're just gonna melt it in like so. This is how it looks like. It's all glossy. So this is how you want your frosting, chocolate frosting to be. Very yummy. Very, very yummy. So here's our chocolate cake. It was done. I used my knife to cut. So this is the topping that I'm gonna use. So we're gonna try and assemble everything. But I want this bottom part to be the top part because it's perfectly leveled. So I've exchanged, or rather transferred. So this is the thickness of our chocolate. We're just applying a tiny layer of the chocolate. I just wanted chocolate upon chocolate. I don't need it to be too perfect because It's just for us. Yes. Perfecto. Let's see if it will cover some edges. We need to cover some edges. But it's not a must. Because I knew I had to sacrifice something, and the edges were obviously the sacrificial lamb, because I wanted to do the middle with the chocolate. I just wanted layers of chocolate. It actually doesn't look bad at all, given that I'm not someone who's someone who has ever done this successfully. Today I feel like it's a success. So we're gonna leave that the way it is because we don't wanna ruin things. Look, even my imperfect edges look good. Well, we're not gonna talk about it. You haven't seen it. As long as it tastes good, I think we are good, right? So yeah, this is it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Perfection. Can you see the layer here? It's tiny, but it's doing a lot. This layer. Oh wow, it's so good. That is the layer of chocolate.